everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna learn to make pancakes. Now I watched several different videos and I read the comments and everybody has different opinions to everything. So I'm just gonna tweak it a little bit to what I think is right. We'll see how it tastes. So I'm gonna share with you guys what you need. So what we're gonna need is flour, sugar, you're gonna need baking powder, you're gonna need some salt, milk, vegetable oil, 1 egg, and then I have some vanilla just to add a splash of taste to it. So what I'm going to do is get 2 bowls. I'm going to put all the dry products in one bowl and all the wet products in another one. So let's continue. Okay guys, so the first one we're going to do is you're going to add 1 cup of flour. It's not focusing. So 1 cup of flour. Then you're going to also add 2 tablespoons of sugar. So we got 1 and 2. You're also going to add 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Now baking powder, not baking soda. And then the recipe recalls for a teaspoon of salt, but from the comments a lot of people said just do like a pinch of salt, so we're just going to do that. So I'm going to mix this together and then start with the liquids. Okay, so what we're going to do is use 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Okay, then we need 1 cup of milk. We also need 1 egg. And then I'm just going to add just a splash of vanilla. Sorry, this is not focusing. Okay, sorry, it didn't focus. And then I'm just going to add 1 splash of vanilla. And then I'm going to start mixing this up. So here's all the dry powder, and then now we're going to add all the liquid powder right to it. And then start mixing that until it gets somewhat smooth, or until all the flour is completely wet. So here's my first time making a pancake.
Are you done, Mom?
So as you guys know, this is my first time making pancakes. So what I did is I put it on the pan for 60 seconds and then I flip it for 60 seconds. This was my first pancake and it was an absolute flop. I think it's still edible, but it was like a flop. But my second pancake turned out to be awesome. This is my 3rd pancake. I think you can probably make 5 or 6 pancakes out of this. We will see. But I'm going to continue making some pancakes. Here it is, you guys. I ended up making, I think, 6 pancakes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I made 2 big ones and then like some medium ones and then some small ones. I'm not sure about this one, but I am super excited to try it. So I'm going to get it prepared and let's try it. Okay, you guys, let's try it and see how well I did with my first pancake. It's a little good. I kind of want to make them a little bit fluffier, but other than that, they're good. Really addicting. So I am excited to eat some pancakes. If you guys enjoyed this, please let me know. Give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys all later. Bye-bye.